Whether you need to jump your car, inflate your tires, inflate an air mattress or tube, the Novsight 6000 amp jump starter sets out to accomplish that all, and today we're going to be reviewing it. This was sent out for me to try, but these are my own thoughts and opinions, and I left this in the Camaro for about a week, so first test, let's see how much charge this has after sitting out in the cold. This is Idaho, so it's been like 26 degrees during the day, well actually 35 lately, and then 26 degrees at night, and we still have a full charge. That's pretty impressive, and that's the main reason I like these model of jump starters, is because unlike the old-fashioned jump packs that you would take, these don't die on you the first night you don't use it. So these just stay charged for any emergency scenario. And now we're gonna jump the Camaro because this car does not have a good battery. So what a good demonstration to have than jump starting a completely dead car. I can't even unlock the Camaro with the keys. So this is a seriously good test. This is 6000 amp. This is supposed to handle my big Duramax over there. So this should start first try. I absolutely love the packaging this thing comes with. It has a nice felt felt material to keep all the attachments, and you get this nice case, and just the overall build quality is just amazing on this. I'm very impressed. I got a jump starter for Christmas, and this just blows it out of the water. Okay, let's get you closer so you can see what's going on. All right, so in order to plug this in on the jump starter, you have this car decal, which is pretty cool. And then you just plug in this guy. It's very impossible to plug it in the wrong way. So we're gonna set that there. I like to go ground first. I know that there's technically a certain way you do this, but okay. Last time I did this, I didn't do the ground tight, so it's gonna start clicking. I don't know if you can hear that. That scared the shit out of me. Hey, come on. So obviously it instantly grabs power to the Camaro. As you can see, it started freaking out since I already had the door open, but now my fob works, and we're gonna try to turn on this Camaro. First try. It probably would have helped if I primed the fuel pump. That is completely on me. But besides me not priming the fuel pump, it started instantly. That's pretty impressive. I'm gonna give it a winter exercise of warming up real quick, and then we're gonna move on to filling up your tires. Let me show you the flashlight real quick. That's pretty bright. I mean, if you need a flashlight, this is pretty good. I don't have anything to inflate for like the pool side of things or like the air mattress side of things, but that feels like it would fill up whatever you need pretty fast. So I just realized that I left the mic on the car. So basically what I was saying is you have to hit the power button to start the inflator, and you just set it to whatever PSI you want using the plus and minus. Super easy. First time using this, so I messed up the first time, but so far we're at 16 PSI at 2 minutes, and it actually stopped. Why did it stop? Oh. Okay, I'm special, so it's on bicycle mode. It's probably freaking out that you're inflating your tires to 23 PSI for a bicycle. Okay, let's let's make sure that's on a car. All right, so maybe next time I need to actually read the operating manual, but my firsthand experience is this definitely inflates your tire a pretty good amount. Okay, so I figured it out. I am such a doofus. Okay, so it does actually stop at what you set it at, but the thing is, you have to let the flashy lights set themselves. So right here I would hit power, but like I didn't let it clear itself. And if you let it clear itself, it actually goes up to the number that you set it at. But as you saw, it inflated the tire to 25 PSI that I set it at. Now with me figuring out that I'm a klutz, let's get into my final thoughts about this jump starter. My final thoughts on the 6,000 amp jump starter from Novsight is really impressed because after I figured out the tire pressure thing, it went up to where I set it at, no problem. Really, really impressive. Every time I've started the Camaro with this jump pack, it started it right up, and it's only been the Camaro that hasn't been starting it the first try. The Novsight jump pack just starts it right up, and I've been thoroughly impressed with it holding its charge. And I've had about 3 jump starts and then 2 tires on this same battery without a charge. So that's really impressive. I got that tire to 36.5 PSI, and then I got that rear tire to 25, and there's still some battery, but I'm gonna leave that so I could get some nice pictures with it. The flashlight's amazing. I don't really have a way to test the pool inflator for you guys. I mean, it's winter in Idaho anyway. I couldn't really test it for you guys anyway. And I have a actual bed, so I don't have an air mattress to try either. However, I'm sure it does a great job. As you can see, if it's anything like the tire pressure inflator, it's gonna inflate your pool and floaties or air mattresses, no problem. Thank you, Novsight, for sending this over. And again, for those at home, this is my unbiased thoughts and opinions. And you saw some real world testing. And you saw some real world testing and hiccups along the way from me personally, not the Novsight product itself. It was amazing. I just needed to figure out what I was doing. If you're interested in checking out the Novsight 6,000 amp jump starter, I'll link it in the description down below. And if you are interested in purchasing this bad boy, you could use Durpamax at checkout to save you a solid 20% off. I appreciate everybody tuning in to see the live demonstration and review of this amazing product. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments down below, and I could test all of your comments that you have, except for maybe a pool inflator, because I mean, like I said, I don't really have that. Anyways, derp to the max. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching the video.